All right, back with the Ford with the bad water pump. And I'm gonna show y'all how the got contaminated, the oil, the transmission oil. Cheap ass phone, you can't even read the damn numbers on it. All right, so I'm gonna show you. All right, it's right there. Right there. That's the oil, transmission oil. Grab this, whatever this number is. The fucking, there it goes. Now we can see it. It's a quarter. A quarter star. Bigger than the one on the drill. It's the one size bigger than the one on the drill. So you take it off. I'm fixing to show you. It's gonna fucking pour out every fucking winner. Alright. You see how okay, it didn't pour anywhere, so I guess it's fucking, it burnt it out. It got so hot that it burnt it out. But this is alright. That's what it looks like when it's contaminated. Mixes with the coolant. With the new gasket, it's gonna stop it from mixing and getting to the other side. Just gonna have to add new oil till all the bad one comes out. Put all new fluids after changing the water pump, and it's gonna be good.